Hello guys, review Motorola G55. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB internal memory. Okay, look complectation. Protected back cover we have in complectation, device in the green color, and in complectation only adapter, only a cable Type-C. Okay, on the back side double camera, on this side power button and volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on 6.5-inch display we have. Open settings and we have Android 14. Okay. Display Full HD IPS 120 Hz 6.5-inch. Open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results very good. We have 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory, MediaTek Dimensity 7025. Okay. And open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Graphics we have medium or this level, this good level, very good, and game works good. Okay, close this. Open camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.